Hello, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to add and edit widgets on your iPhone 17 Air. So you can add widgets to your lock screen and also to your home screen, and now I will show you step by step how to do that. So let's begin with lock screen. You have to go to your lock screen and long press your lock screen and press customize button at the bottom side of the screen, and in the area with your widgets you have to tap add widget button, and this will open widgets gallery. So here, as you can see, many widgets that you can select, and also here you can see list of applications that support widgets. So let's go in, for example, with weather, and also here are some options that are available. Let's go, for example, with this one. So to add widgets you just have to tap on it, and let me pick some more. And also you can rearrange them in order that you want, so you can place them in some kind of different positions, and also you can remove them if you tap this minus icon if you no longer like this widget. And also you can edit it if you tap on it right here. Okay, so I don't know actually what's the problem, but let me select maybe another. Yes, so some of widgets are could be customizable and some cannot be. So as you can see, I wanted to customize my weather widget, but I didn't manage to do that, so I selected another widget that supports that, and here I can customize it however I want it to be. Let's maybe try with this one as well. Yes, I can select different options. So yes, and when you're happy with your widgets, you have to tap done button in the top right corner to select your widgets. And now let's go in with home screen. You have to enter shake mode by long pressing your home screen, and now tap edit button in the top left corner of your screen and select option add widget. So this is also this widget gallery. As you can see, here are many options as well. And let's go with batteries, for example. I have to tap add widget, and also I can rearrange that, and also I can change its size like this by dragging it. And also you can stack widgets. So to do that you need to go again to edit button and select add widgets, and to stack widget you just have to place one widget on top of another and it will go in those stacks. As you can see, you can scroll them like that, switch between them, and I find it a really fun and customizable feature that could be really useful for you. And let's select the third one, and as you can see I have 3 widgets in one. Also, if you tap edit button and select add widget, here you can see that you have smart stack. So as you can see, here are 3 sizes available. Let's select the smallest one, and also this is this stack widget, but here are some applications that you might not need, so explore that and decide if that will be helpful for you. And if you want to remove your widget, you just have to tap minus icon and confirm that you really want to do that. And also what I wanted to say, that if you want to edit your widget in your home screen, you have to long press it like this and select edit this widget. And also if this widget supports editing, then you can do that, and if not, unfortunately you will not able to do that. So yeah, that's basically how you can add and edit your widgets using your iPhone 17 Air, and I really hope that you like this video and that this video helped you. And if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.